Oh, how much of the money from the chocolate goes to you as a farmer?
We have 45% share, and also when they buy 16 bags of cocoa from us, they give us a social premium price of $150. And this money and the share we have in the chocolate goes to a certain committee called the Kriapa Cocoa Farmers Trust. And this money, every year the whole farmers come together and then decide what to do with the money we have from the chocolate. And this money, a society may be in need of good drinking water. That society at the village level will apply, and then the transport will also sit down and then go to the village and verify things for themselves. If the farmers are in need of that drinking water, with the social premium price and the percentage share we have in the chocolate, to use them to construct good drinking water, hand dug well with pump. Also, some people also may apply for corn mill machine, and also we buy them the corn mill machine. Some of them will apply for good toilet, then we also build them. Some of them in the villages, some farmers' children are learning under trees.
Oh, that's good.
we go and then help them build some schools for these children to learn. And we are also embarking on a scholarship scheme for our brilliant children. And as I'm talking here, I'm very proud to tell you that one of my children is in the university in Ghana, and it is through this share we have in the chocolate and the premium price we have established our own credit union. And when I'm in need of money to pay my children's school fees, I go there and have some loans with small interest. Then I send my children to school, I pay the school fees. During harvest time, I go back to pay the loans to the credit union, so that all my friends will also come for another loan. So, in fact, this chocolate and the premium price we have is helping us a lot. Helping me cocoa farmers.
Cool, thank you very much. This is a chocolate farmer from Ghana.
Yeah.